Hi, my name is Christian Carpeso, and I'm the author, creator, and owner of ChristianCarpeso.com. I'm also an OFW, or an overseas Filipino worker here in Dubai, UAE, and I'm a part-time online network marketer. Sa video pong ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang 3 frequently asked questions regarding Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate. Ang mga 3 frequently asked questions na ito ay: what is Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate or SWA Ultimate? What is the product of SWA Ultimate? And what is the perfect pay plan system? Sa video number 1 po, kung napanood po natin yun, sinagot po natin ang frequently asked question number 1 na what is Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate. Doon naman po sa video number 2, sinagot po natin yung what is the product of SWA Ultimate. Sa video number 3 pong ito, sasagutin naman po natin yung pangatlo at huling FAQ regarding SWA, which is what is the perfect pay plan system. So again, this is video number 3 and we will answer the question, what is the perfect pay plan system? So bali po yung the perfect pay plan system, ito po yung SWA system na P3S na tinatawag. Ito po yung combination of 2 of the best and most popular compensation plans or pay plans on the internet, whereby the weaknesses of each are neutralized and their best features are magnified. So in other words, again po sinasabi namin na you get the best of both worlds. So every time po na may bumibili po nung Supreme Wealth Library, becomes a member of the SWA system and gets into its 2 pay plans. Ito po yung pay plan number 1 na tinatawag na Dynamic Follow 2x2 Matrix, at yung pay plan number 2, yung pong the Infinity 3-up Pass-up. We shall now examine the step-by-step process of earning in each pay plan. Remember that even though we are examining them one by one, they are happening to you at the same time, even with just one effort from you. So wag po tayo mako-confuse na dahil po dalawa yung pay plan, nabukod po sila. Ibig mo sabihin nito na pag nagkaroon kayo ng referral, nangyayari po yun sa dalawang pay plan, simultaneous. So ang pay plan number 1 po, ito po yung tinatawag na the 2x2 Dynamic Follow Matrix. This pay plan is based on a structure of only 7 persons. You, your 2 first level downlines, and their 2 first level downlines. Hence the term 2x2. To earn from this system, you simply need to fill up your 2x2 matrix, your referrals, and the referrals of your referrals get into your matrix. You earn $70 or $90 for each completed 2x2 matrix wherein you will cycle. So kada cycle po ay $70 or $90 pag napuno nyo po yung matrix. Yung $90 cycle income is for those who accumulated 7 or more direct referrals. Ibig pong sabihin na kapag sponsor po kayo ng 7 direct referral na sa inyo po mismo, $90 na po ang bayad kada cycle. Yun po ay permanent reward. Again, kada cycle nyo po, Pag nakapag-recruit po kayo ng 7 direct referrals, $90 na po kada cycle. Income in a 2x2 matrix is quick. Basically, you just refer 2 people. Ito po, direct referral nyo. Who then each refer 2 people. So, ito pong number 2 direct referral nyo, magre-refer po siya ng dalawa. Si referral number 3 nyo po, magre-recruit din ng dalawa. Kabubuo nyo na po yung 2x2 matrix. You will earn either $70 or $90. Dito naman po sa pay plan number 2, kung tinatawag na the Infinity Tree a pass up, pag-aralan po natin yung diagrams below. Notice where each of your direct referrals go and how the direct referrals of your downlines go up to you. So for your first referral, andito po yung referral nyo, tsaka kayo po. Mamaya po maintindihan po natin kung bakit po nilagay itong referral. So for this first referral, so you earn $20 from your first referral. He or she stays on your network. So for your second referral is pass up to your referrer. Nakita po natin yung second referral niyo po, ipinas up po. Kaya po sabi, pass up. Yan po, pinas up po yung second referral niyo. Pero don't worry po, many members will pass up to you also. And this passing up only happens in this pay plan, not in the 2x2 pay plan. So, ito pong pass up na to, dito lang po sa Infinity Tree pass up. Doon po, hindi po siya ka-included dun sa kaninang pay plan number 1. So, for your third referral is passed up again. Your fourth referral, so pagdating po ng fourth referral, you will earn again $20. And he or she stays on your network. So dun po sa pang fifth and sixth referral, you will earn $20 each from your fifth and sixth referral, and they stay on your network. So for your seventh referral, it is passed up again. So you pass up your second, third, and seventh referrals. Pagdating po ng 8th referral onwards, wala na pong passing up. So hanggang 7th lang po yung passing up. Now here's where it gets exciting when you begin to receive pass-ups. Kanina pa pinakita natin na yung referrer nyo, siya po yung receive ng pass-up galing sa inyo. So ngayon po makikita natin, these 4 people directly under you will each pass up their second, third, and 7th direct referrals. So, sa situation naman po nito, halimbawa po nakapag-recruit na kayo ng 7, yung 4 po sa inyo, yung pang 1st, 4th, and 5th, and 6th, sila naman po yung magpapass up ng kanilang 2nd, 3rd, and 7th direct referrals. So, bali po 3 each, that's a total of 12 pass-ups to you. And since you earn $20 per pass up to you, you make $240. Total of 12 pass-ups. Tapos ito pong 12 pass-ups na to, itong 12 persons na to na 12 sponsors, they will stay on your network. Makikita po natin sa susunod na slide. So dito po, nandito na po yung 12 pass-up sa inyo, yun nag-stay sa inyong network. So pag ito pong 12 taong ito ay nag-pass up sa inyo yung kanilang 2nd, 3rd, and 7th direct referrals, so that's 12 times 3, that's 36 pass-ups to you. And since you earn $20 per pass up to you, you make $720. So again, yung pong 36 people na yun, kabilang po sila sa inyong network. Ngayon, kung pong itong 36 na tao na ito nakabilang sa inyong network, ay nag-pass up po nung kanilang second, third, and 7 direct referrals, that's a total of 108 pass-ups to you. Ibig po sabihin, 36 times 3 is equal to 108. 108 pass-up. Since you earn $20 per pass-up, you make a total of $2,160. Total of 108 pass-ups. So do you see the big picture now? Time will come, thousands upon thousands of people shall be passing up to you and they will pay you up to $20 each. So computin nyo na lang po. Kung halimbawa po, itong 108 people na to, nag-pass up ng 3 each. Magkano na po yun? Ang kagandahan po dito sa perfect pay plan system na kaya po sila pinagsama kasi po pag individual yung mga pay plans, meron po silang mga weakness. Abasa niyo po rito. Tulad po sa 2x2 matrix. Pag halimbawa po as your network grows larger and deeper into infinity, your earning potential gets smaller and smaller. Tapos you only earn when you fill up a matrix with 6 people under you. But ito po ay nako-compensate naman dito ng infinity pass up. Ganon din po rito sa infinity pass up. Yung weaknesses niya po, nako-compensate naman ng strength dito. Kaya nga po sila tinawag na the perfect couple. So again, recap po. Ito pong the perfect pay plan system is consist of pay plan number 1, which is the dynamic follow 2x2 matrix, and yung pay plan number 2, yung pong the infinity 3 up pass up. So again, thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow po, abangan po natin ang bonus video. Tama po, kung narinig nyo, meron pong bonus video bukas. So again, this is Christian Carpeso of christiancarpeso.com. Have a nice day.